got the metal one here. Went with the Ghost. So we gotta remove this one. Now, it is glued on here. The cars might be old enough now that you can just yank it off. So I'm gonna try doing that first. If not, I might be able to show you guys another way that you can do this, and it's based off of what you have to do in WIS. So let's see how hard this is to do. For the neutral, I'm just gonna try to grip this as best as I can. Oh my gosh. Whew. It is really in there. As you can see, my leather's already coming off. I may as well just take the whole thing off at this rate. I'm thinking I can get maybe like a flat blade screwdriver and see if I can pry this up. And then what WIS has you do is they have you drive a self-tapping screw in that's flat, so it doesn't drill into the metal, and you just kind of drill it out. So I'm going to see if I can do that. All right, so next method is we're going to use a drill. This is a very small drill bit. We're going to drill a hole right about at the top of this thing. Okay. I shouldn't have peeled back this rubber, but I kind of did that to show you, and we'll get that done real quick. Alrighty, once you drill your small hole, you're going to want to find a self-tapping screw. I happen to find one in my loose bin of screws here at home. So I'm going to use this Torx self-tapping screw and see if I can screw this knob off. You can already hear the glue separating there. Sure enough, I drilled through it, and then I literally just pulled it up, unscrewed it, and pulled it off, and it came off pretty easy. Now, time to find the bits and pieces that flew everywhere. So now, get our new knob. In this case, mine is a Ghost. You want to make sure this black plastic piece in here is in there pretty good. We try to get them in there pretty good, but before we ship them out, we usually can stick a large flat blade screwdriver and just twist it in there if you notice it a little loose. And you'll notice the shape here. You want to match it to your reverse lockout as best as you can. All right, I literally just pounded it on with my fist like this. You can use a hammer, of course, like a rubber mallet is probably what I would do next. And yeah, everything works. Reverse lifts perfectly in there. It was catching a little bit when I was trying to line it up and twist it on there, but once I pounded it down, it kind of just lined itself up, and now it fits real nice and snug. So yeah, that's awesome. I already love this thing, and I know I'm biased because I literally work for this company, but this is actually really nice over my disintegrating old from 2004 leather shift knob. Definitely worth the upgrade. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will be as much help as I can. Go check out the description to pick one of these up for yourself. Looks nice. I got the Ghost one. We got Troll. We got a few other logos. We got Turbo one. I almost got that one for my car, but I went with the Ghost because I think I'm gonna go for Ghost coil cover and some other things to just kind of make this car the Ghost car. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.